Presenting the 2007 Honda Accord XL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include head airbags, curtain first and second row, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, remote window operation, automatic transmission, tachometer, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, daytime running lights, fuel economy EPA highway, MPG 29 and EPA city, MPG 20, and remote power door locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.